I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the right account and currency before anything else. Start by confirming your game version and regional server because skins roll out regionally. Once done, gather the required gems or event tokens. Don't spend them on bundles. Log in daily and complete the starter quests to unlock the Elsa skin event. This triggers the event page. Make sure your profile level meets the minimum requirement and keep a screenshot of your balance in case of issues. Now you execute the core steps to earn the skin. Focus on event missions and milestone rewards that award Elsa-specific tokens or fragments, prioritizing time-limited boss fights. Use energy boosts and double reward periods to speed progress. This matters when tasks are gated by daily caps. Once you accumulate fragments or tokens, visit the event shop and redeem them for the skin or for a skin fragment exchange. Keep an eye on countdown timers and remaining daily tasks. Finish by redeeming Elsa in the event shop or the achievements panel. Redemption is final, so verify the correct variant. After claiming, confirm the skin appears in your wardrobe and equipped slot. If tokens vanished or rewards did not arrive, check your in-game mail and the event history first. Sometimes rewards are delayed. If the issue persists, open a support ticket with screenshots and timestamps, and mention the server and player ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.